Good morning! Guys, we are now driving on our way down to Margaret River. Now, why am I going to Margaret River? Well, because my wife is currently in Margaret River. And we're going to go and visit her. We're going to go get some lunch. We're going to go to Busselton. There's a pier out there. It's got a cool little solar powered train. There's like a very unique underwater observatory. One of only, I think, like 6 in the world that's like this. At the end of a 1.7 kilometer long wooden pier, the longest wooden pier in the southern hemisphere. But it is a 3-hour drive from Perth to Margaret River, so let's begin that. And we're going to be a 3-hour drive back, so I'm going to get 6 hours with my wife. Let's do it. Let's do this. 661 kilometers of driving today. So obviously, as everybody knows, road trips need music. So let's get some decent music going. Right, ready for my favorite song? I'm gonna press play.
Our chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang loves us too. Hi, everybody go on chitty weedy pan. Bang bang, chitty bang bang, our pan. Bang bang, chitty bang bang, our fine for banded. Chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah!
Not really, let's do it for real. One hour later. Alright guys, I'm here in Margaret River, but this day is missing one key ingredient, and that ingredient is my wife. Alright, so we're going to go to 2 places today, not just Busselton Jetty. We're going to go somewhere else as well, and I hope you haven't been there before. Go check it out. Yeah, I'm wearing thongs, so you're already better than me. Alright, so let's go to location 1. We've got 6 hours? 6 hours. Sweet, let's do it. Okay, so we've made it to, how would you say it? Ngilgi Cave. I literally decided half an hour ago that we're going to try going to here, so let's check it out.
So this is fun.
Wait, how much is it?
with the stairs.
I didn't know there'd be this many stairs. I promised her a beautiful walk down the jetty, and I've taken her down in the cave.
With lots of CO2.
Lots of CO2. We're sweating, and it's only like 14 degrees outside.
How's that for you?
It's nice to do something different.
Yeah,
A bit of a walk.
that's all right. Work off lunch.
We haven't had it yet.
Well, we just enjoyed a lovely lunch. It's very windy here, quite cold. We neither have had the right footwear for it.
I'm wearing new shoes.
You're wearing new shoes.
I've got blisters already.
I wanted to take the train, but I feel like the train isn't running today because it's too windy. Anyway, we'll see how far we can get along the jetty, and hopefully we can get into the underwater observatory, but apparently you need to be on a tour for that, so I don't know what's
Not
happening.
very well researched today, Mother.
Listen, I just want to spend time with you. I don't care what we're doing.
That's okay. I'm okay with that.
And now she's going to carry the backpack because she feels like it'll keep her warm.
It'll keep my back warm.
Yeah, your butt. Oh, so your back warm. Yeah, butt. So let's enjoy some slow-mo footage, I guess, of the jetty.
Yeah.
Okay. No train today. Too windy.
No observatory today.
Too rough.
windy.
Not too windy. So we're just paid $4 each to go for a walk along the jetty.
Which we probably could have just walked straight past the ticket office and done anyway.
Yeah, but it's about donating.
That's right.
So they can upkeep the wooden jetty.
That's right.
That's concrete. Just saying, it's not all wood. Okay, back to the montage. Touch the fence. We have to touch the fence.
We made it!
Whoa! Now it's pelting. We got to get back 1.7 kilometers. Run, Ema, run! Alright, it is starting to pelt down with rain, so let's put this camera away before it gets ruined, alright? I'm going to see you on the other side. Bye! So, of course, as soon as we got back to the start of the jetty,
The sky.
it's blue skies.
We did it.
We did. It's all part of the adventure, no matter what the weather is. And I'm not sure why I sounded like that. Anyway,
Rain, hail or shine, and we got the rain.
did it. Got nothing else now to do.
We touched the fence at the other end because it wasn't open.
That's what you do. You touch the fence.
Yep. Touch the butt.
Touch the butt.
He touched the butt.
Gosh. All right, so we're just going to chill out now until let's have to take Emma back.
Ice cream time.
Okay.
That's what you do when you go to the beach. You get an ice cream on the way home.
Well, it's time to go now, so I better say goodbye to my wife.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Love you. Oh, I love that girl. She's great. I'll see. That's why I married her. But look, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an absolutely amazing day. I've had a great time down here with my wife, checking out the caves, going down to the jetty. And you know what? Even though it was rainy and windy, the fact is, you just need to go out there and have a great time no matter what you're doing. And if it means you got to take an umbrella or a raincoat, then do that, and you can still have a great time. No matter what, just enjoy what you do. So now the 3-hour drive back, and then the 6-hour flight home tonight. Okay, all dressed now, ready to go to work, heading to Brisbane now. And thanks so much for watching. It's been an amazing adventure today, and I'll see you all in the next video. And I don't know where it's going to be, but I'm sure it's going to be a great time. Thanks again, and see you later.